So we talked about all of these simple machines, we talked about mechanical advantage, we talked about work. Our last topic is just real briefly to talk about a concept of power. And when we talk about power, basically it's a measurement of how quickly work is getting done. So you could probably guess, how would you calculate power? What do you think the formula is? Bella? So what do you think the formula?
Mass times height.
Think about what I just told you,
AMA over
and you could probably figure it out. Emily?
power equals
Equals what? Okay, yeah, so what is, not joules, that's the unit, but you're close. It's the amount of work done divided by the time that it took. So the units that we have, what is the units we have of work? Joules. And so if we take 1 joule per second, we have an equivalent unit which is called a watt. So it's 1 watt is 1 joule of work done each second. Yeah. Well, you probably have heard about it in terms of light bulbs. It's also used oftentimes for like energy consumption. You could be measured in watts. For example, if you have a clothes dryer that does 15,000 joules of work in 3 seconds, what is its power?
5,000 joules.
Yes, or 5,000 watts.
Is gigawatt something made up?
No.
Oh.
So 15,000 joules of work being done in 3 seconds equals 5,000 watts.
So the joules is a work?
Yes. You could also call that 5 kilowatts, or 0.005 gigawatts.
So when did you
Yeah.
say that?
So a watt is just a unit of power. So if you have a light bulb that is a certain wattage, what the wattage is really telling you is how much energy it's consuming per second. A higher wattage light bulb consumes more energy.
For the quiz, we'll be able to memorize all these.
Yes. All right.
Can't wait, I'm smarter.
So that's all for notes. Just wanted to finish up. You can go and get to work on your simple machines now.
What simple machine you want to do first?